Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily create a Windows 10 bootable flash drive. To begin, just open your browser and type download Windows 10 ISO and hit enter. Sometimes Google will ask you to confirm that you are a human. At this stage, you will see the logo of Microsoft, www.microsoft.com, and it shows download Windows 10 disk image. Click on it and you will be redirected to the official website. If you see a different language than the one you want, just scroll to the bottom. Here you will see the little icon of the planet. Click on the language next to it and you can select English or Spanish or whatever. Don't worry if you get redirected here, just click again on Windows 10 and here we're going to select the download option. A little tool will be downloaded to our computer, so just click on it to run. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this application to make changes to your computer or to your device. Just click yes. We will wait a few seconds and then it should be loaded. And we should be able to see getting few things ready. At this stage, I invite you to read the Microsoft software license terms, or you can just scroll down to the bottom and click accept. This operation usually takes maximum 1 minute to 2 minutes as max. At this stage, the option that we will select create installation media and click next. We will untick use the recommended options for this PC and we will select the language that we want. For now, I will leave it just English. And for edition, there is only Windows 10 available. And for architecture, it should be only 64, but sometimes you can download even both or just one. So you can either select both or just 64 or 32. If you are unsure, just check the computer that you want to install this Windows on and check the architecture of it, and it must be one of these two. You can actually download both if you want so that you solve the problem. For now, I'll stick to 64 and I will click next. And here I want to select the ISO file so that I can use it as I want. So select and click next. I will choose the location where this file will be saved. So I'm gonna select data and I'm gonna save it here. And the download shall begin. This operation usually takes between 3 to 7 to 8 minutes based on how fast is your internet. I will just pause the video here and we will take back once the next step is prompted. So now as you can see, it shows here that it's been saved to this location. By just clicking on it, it will guide me directly to the file. And here we have the Windows 10 ISO file. So we will just rename it Windows 10. And now it's ready to be used. We're going to download a little tool called Rufus. So type in your browser Rufus, you will see the official website. And here we have it, the software. So just locate .exe, Windows 64. If you are using an old version of Windows, then you might want to see if you have Windows 86 or Windows 64. In your computer, if you are a Windows user, just type dxdiag and a little window will pop up, and here you will be able to see the version or the architecture of your operating system. So here it's 64-bit, so I will download the 64-bit compatible. This is only an advert and the tool has been downloaded, so we can close this browser. As a next step, double click on Rufus. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Just go ahead and click yes. At this stage, the tool will appear like this. We need to locate our Windows ISO file and we need to locate the device where we want to set it up. So here I have the storage memory with the letter E and it has 14 GB, and my Windows is here in this file D. So I will just leave storage device letter E, and this core ISO image, we're going to click select, and we will locate our Windows ISO, and we're going to click open. Here it will automatically detect that it's standard Windows installation. You can create Windows to go, but we will leave it empty for now. So just keep it standard Windows installation. The other settings are to be left by default. So here GBT, UEFI, non-CSM. You can click show advanced drive, list USB hard drives. There is no need. So you can leave this by default. You can rename volume label. You can rename it, or we can just leave it as it is. So storage device to keep the same name. File system for formatting should remain the same. Cluster size should be left by the same. Quick format to be ticked. Create extended label and icon files to be ticked. And one final thing, make sure that your storage device where you will set up the Windows, it's empty. So here, this device is completely empty. There are no folders because with the format, everything will be deleted from it. We'll just go ahead and click start. Rufus detected that the ISO you have selected contains a UEFI bootloader has been revoked, and that will produce a security violation screen when SecureBot is enabled. If you obtain this ISO image from a non-reputable secure, you should consider. If you obtain this from a trusted, you should try to locate a more up-to-date version. We'll just click OK, and we'll just click to proceed. So here I will put my name, create a local account with username, set Trojan options to the same value as this user if you would like to save the same settings as your used computer, disable data collection, and disable BitLocker automatic device encryption. That's what I select usually, and I will click OK. And by clicking OK, the process should start. So now guys, the process has been completed, so you can go ahead and click close. And we are going to this PC shortcut to verify or check our device if it's ready. As you can see at the beginning, it was empty, and now it contains our Windows 10. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.